Hey guys, welcome to Learning Chinese with Chin. So today is lesson 3. So today's lesson I'm going to teach you guys about how to greeting in Chinese. So greeting in Chinese we call it 打招呼. 打招呼. 打招呼 means greeting. So let's start a very classic one. I think most of you know this one is 你好. 你好. As you can see, 你好 actually is the tone plus the tone. But there is a easy rule I want you guys to remember is when the tone and the tone come together, the first tone will pronounce as second tone. Just like this word, if I pronounce it as third and third tone, it will be 你好. 你好. It sounds not natural and it sounds a bit weird, but when we turn it to 你好, 你好 is more easy to pronounce. So please remember if a Chinese word comes with the tone and the tone, the first the tone will become second tone, which is 你好. The second one is 您好, 您好. The second one, you will use it when you meet someone older than you or in the business occasion. It's using and showing the politeness of you. So if you need to say something formal to a single person, you can use 您好 instead of 你好. Next will be 大家好. 大家好. Normally, we will use 大家好 when you're giving a speech. Maybe you are on the stage or you speak to multiple persons. So you can use 大家好 instead of 你好 to every single one. But sometimes using 你好 is also okay. 大家好 is more like, okay, you told to more than one people on the stage. Next one is more casual. It's hello. Hello. Actually, hello is just come from the hello in English. And another one is hi. Hi is also come from English, which is hi. Next will be the good morning. This good morning more often you can see it in the textbook, which is 早上好. 早上好. Or some textbook will see 早安. 早安. Actually, both of it you can use in your daily life. But there is another way to say good morning, more casual, is 早. 早 means morning. Next, we'll come to how are you. The first one is really classic one, which is 你好吗? 你好吗? As you can see, 你กับ好 is the tone and the tone. So the first tone will become second tone. 你好吗? Which means how are you? Is really textbook one. Normally native speaker don't use this word. Instead, you can say 你还好吗? 你还好吗? Means how are you? Or you can also say 最近怎么样? 最近怎么样? Which means how are you doing recently? And you can also say 好久不见. 好久不见 to someone you haven't met for a long time. Then come to goodbye. There are multiple ways to say goodbye. The first one, really classic one, is 再见. 再见 means see you later or goodbye. You can also say bye bye. Bye bye is mean bye bye in English. Just similar. Another one, 回头见. 回头见 means see you later, maybe another day. But there another see you later is 待会儿见. 待会儿见 means see you later. Maybe you are in the party and someone who just met you but she has something to do and will come back to see you later. You can use this one. Means see you later, or I will talk to you later, something like this. So this is our lesson today. Hope you like it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.